Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit yogurt smoothie. Gather ripe fruit, plain yogurt, milk, a blender, and optional sweetener. Wash and chop fruit, measure 1 cup of yogurt, and add 1/2 cup of milk to start. Blend on high until smooth, then taste and adjust sweetness or thickness. Serve chilled and garnish with fresh fruit or nuts for texture and color. Start by selecting fruits that complement each other, like berries with banana or mango with pineapple. Use plain or Greek yogurt depending on whether you want a tangy or thicker result. For liquids, choose milk, almond milk, or juice to control texture and flavor. Optional boosts like honey, nut butter, or protein powder can enhance nutrition. Measure ingredients, blend in stages, and adjust. Begin blending by adding liquids and soft ingredients first, then frozen fruit and ice to avoid jamming the blades. Use short pulses to break down large pieces, then blend continuously for a silky texture. If the smoothie is too thick, add more liquid 1 tablespoon at a time. If too thin, add frozen fruit or ice to thicken. Finish with a quick stir and a taste check before serving immediately for best freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.